Viewers, thank you for watching another video of my Blazor playlist. This video I'll be discussing how to use dropdown in Blazor application. This is the customer entry form. Using this form we can create a new customer. We can input first name, last name, email address, gender, mailing address. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will add another input to specify country of customer. I'll be using dropdown here. So I am using the Bootstrap 5 to build this web page. Let's add some code to add the dropdown. This is the official website of Bootstrap, and this is for dropdown list. Let's copy this code and paste here. Make some changes. Name USA, Bangladesh, India. Okay, we can put the value here also. 0. Okay, dropdown for country data has been populated successfully. Let's see how we can bind selected country with field or property. Basically, Blazor framework introduces a bind directive that binds the selected country with the property. This will give us the two-way data binding feature. One important note is that the form must be defined with EditFrom component, and model is the required attribute. Let's check this one. I have already added this EditFrom component, and here I defined the model attribute also. Let's set the bind directive here. So let me do bind and the model, the customer model. So there is no country ID, so let's check customer model. There is no customer ID, so edit. Customer ID. This is how the data binding will be implemented using the bind directive. Let's check. To check the two-way binding feature, I added the customer ID over here. Let's change the USA. Its value is 1. For Bangladesh, value is 2. So we can see the two-way data binding over there. Let's delete this code. This is not necessary. Also, we can get rid of this hard-coded code. So we can create a country model here. And name, and the property would be ID. And let's define a list here. Country model. Second one is Bangladesh. And third one is our neighbor country is Nepal. 3 and 4. So save it. Let's delete all these codes, and here I can iterate the loop using the C# API for is, or it could be item in this could be countries. Okay, so this one is item ID and this one is item name. Let's see. Okay, oh actually okay, this is working as expected. So we can also use the InputSelect Blazor component here. So let's edit InputSelect. For InputSelect, this is the Blazor component. In this case, I need to add the bind value. Okay. See, this is also working. We saw that either we can use the native HTML select element, or we can use the Blazor input select to populate dropdown and data binding in Blazor application. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.